Is this thing on?
Yes.
My name is Thunder. Sometimes Little Rex. And I am a plushie of Gavin's, but I'm going to be honest with you. I dig his dad. And I'm going to impress everybody by stealing this dog, bacon, sock bone, because I'm a reptile. And that's what I do. So watch and learn. And I'm going to make Daddy really proud. Then, after I show what I'm going to do here, I'm going to learn how to play tennis. Dog. That's my bacon bone now. Where's your bone?
Don't hurt him because his eyes are very flammable. Okay?
That was close. Hey! Let me explain something to you. You're just a dog. And if I want the bacon, I'll grab the bacon. What do you have to say about that? You want to see how fast I am? Watch this. Go get it.
Want me to stop?
Stop.